name's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit on this 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500. We put a 3.5-inch lift on it and some 35 1150 R20 tires on the stock 20-inch wheels. You're watching this video because you want to know, what do I need to do to make these tires and wheels fit? What do I need to do to the bumper, to the valence, to the inner fender, for the rear fender? What do I need to do? The answer is absolutely nothing. Not a zilch, no trimming, no rubbing, no pushing, no hammering, nothing. If you want to run this setup, it clears, no trimming, no modifications, no nothing. All that you need to do is find a 3.5-inch lift that you like. If you want to know what lift we use, you can go watch our walkthrough video. And a set of 35 1150 20 tires, not a 35 1250, it's an 1150 tire that you like. Slap them on it, it'll clear, no problems. Again, we're Central Alps, the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 833-268-2577. If there's anything that we can do to help you, to serve you, just plan your build, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.